Asterisk unlock your earning potential. Make 9 lakh rupees yearly with a reselling web hosting business asterisk. In today's digital age, opportunities to generate income abound, and one particularly lucrative avenue is reselling web hosting services. With the right approach and dedication, aspiring entrepreneurs can leverage the booming demand for online presence and web hosting to earn a substantial income. If you are ready to take control of your financial future and explore the potential of reselling web hosting, read on to discover how you can make 9 lakh rupees yearly with this business venture. Understanding the profit potential of reselling web hosting. Reselling web hosting offers a unique opportunity to tap into the growing demand for online services while minimizing overhead costs and technical complexities. Here's how you can unlock the earning potential of this business. 1. Recurring revenue streams. As a reseller, you earn recurring revenue through hosting subscriptions from your clients. With each client signing up for a hosting plan, you generate a steady stream of income that continues to grow as your client base expands. 2. Profit margins. Reseller hosting typically comes with attractive profit margins, allowing you to mark up the hosting plans offered by your parent hosting provider. By setting competitive prices while keeping your costs low, you can maximize your profit potential and achieve your income goals. 3. Scalability. The scalability of reseller hosting enables you to grow your business and increase your earnings over time. As you acquire more clients and upgrade their hosting plans, your revenue grows proportionally, providing a pathway to achieving higher income targets. Strategies to reach 9 lakh rupees yearly income. 1. Set realistic goals. Start by setting achievable income goals for your reseller hosting business. Break down your annual target of 9 lakh rupees into monthly or quarterly milestones to track your progress and stay motivated. 2. Build a strong client base. Focus on acquiring and retaining clients who value your hosting services. Provide exceptional customer support, reliable uptime, and value-added features to differentiate your hosting business and attract long-term clients. 3. Expand your service offerings. Diversify your revenue streams by offering additional services such as domain registration, SSL certificates, website security solutions, and site optimization services. Upselling these add-on services to your existing clients can boost your overall income. 4. Implement strategic pricing. Analyze market trends and competitor pricing to determine the optimal pricing strategy for your hosting plans. Strike a balance between affordability for your clients and profitability for your business to maximize revenue potential. 5. Invest in marketing. Allocate resources to marketing and promotional activities to increase your visibility and attract new clients. Leverage digital marketing channels such as social media, search engine optimization (SEO), and email marketing to reach your target audience effectively. Contact us today for your free consultation. Ready to embark on your journey to financial success with a reselling web hosting business? Contact us today at +91 9864 170343 and 9,864,855,058 for free consultation and personalized guidance on how to get started. Our experienced team is here to help you navigate the ins and outs of the hosting industry and achieve your income goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to build a profitable business and secure your financial future. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूँ कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूँ। धन्यवाद।